Yep, it is about just like it was yesterday with this weather. Today's the 4th of July, and this is Zoom 360 on the go, getting ready to go to this car show and see what happens. And of course, later tonight I will be at the fireworks. So, with that being said, here I am, just getting ready to go. Just finished packing everything. I packed the car with mostly everything. The house is a mess. Got my cooler with some haterade in there. Yes, I said haterade, but haterade. It packed up some stuff here. Got myself a canopy, a brand new one. I've never set it up before. Hopefully the package says you should be able to set it up in under 3 minutes. Okay, it's an easy setup, so we'll see what happens there. A little bit of trophies and stuff from previous car shows. We're gonna go over there and head over there. So I don't expect much from the car show, especially because of the weather. I don't know who is going to actually show up, but who knows. It's something to do on the 4th of July. I had a great weekend lineup with fun stuff, activity stuff, but I just didn't want to film these kind of things in such a weather. I was like, let me just take the time out and rest and just do simple 4th of July stuff, which so, because I wasn't, really, thinking about even doing the car show. It's just that a few people that I know said that you might want to do that. I guess, some people might want to take pictures with it because it's a very popular car where I am, and usually wherever I go, it catches attention. So, I guess I could take it out there and have some people take some pics with it, and if kids usually love it, so if that brings a smile or two to a couple of kids, good. So man, so let's hope this turns out well. So I'll see you over there. I'll be filming throughout the day. Happy 4th of July from Zoom 360 on the go. And yeah, I'll see you when I see you. See those guys over there setting up the fireworks. Oh yeah. Well, here it is, out in the rain. I have to admit though, so I've done the car show in a dust storm and a cold weather, extremely hot weather. Now it's time for me to do one in the rain. So let's see how that goes. Man, this is well, so far so good. People are coming in. I don't think this is the entire line though. But we have a Jeep. Oh, I like this.
It really is. I mean, it costs a lot of money to do that, and I could use it because I drive it now. I've got halogens in there, but it's just not quite good enough.
I don't know what this is though. Rear. It's a. I guess it's a. Well, rear engine. Course. I don't know what this is. I like classics.
It's always,
oh, it's a Corvette.
I've already got a list of stuff.
It's a classic Corvette. Very nice.
That's the next major project. Oh, cool.
That way I can re-gear it so I can actually take it down to interstate.
Yeah,
speed.
right.
Right now, downhill, I might get her up to 70 now.
Yeah.
Robert. Man, the classics. I love the classics. Did you build this yourself, or did you anything?
Everything when I took, I built myself. Inside and out.
Those heat wraps, like what, like do they come like in a roll of it, like cloth that you just cut it and you wrap it around there?
Yep.
Okay. I gotta change my exhaust soon. So yeah, looks good though. A lot of work.
Oh, I know it's a lot of work.
Was it hard getting those the bolts that's on the engine off, with the headers?
On that, yeah, but it was easy, but it was hard because what I did was when I poured the motor, I just cut the exhaust off and pulled it out, and then when I redid the heads, I had them rehomed and
okay,
redone. So
all right, sweet. I like the wheels on this truck. Oh man. You can't have a car show without Subies. Subies is a must. Yeah, very nice. I like that. A girl drive this car. That's hot. Mud flaps are seriously making a comeback. Oh yeah. I like the exhaust. Yeah. And a very nice diffuser. Carbon fiber can't recall the name of this now. It's not a wing, but it's the other thing. Yeah, buddy. Zoom 360 on the go. I chose not to put up the canopy, my brand new one that I went to buy because it was supposed to rain today. All of a sudden, it's like the sun is coming in and out. So I'm gonna say this. Zoom thought for the day. People will talk. People are going to talk. Like one of my mentors said, if you don't want to be criticized, if you don't want people to talk about you, be nothing, say nothing, do nothing. And even then, when you do all three things, do nothing, see nothing, be nothing, people will still talk. So you might as well do something, say something, be something. I don't know, sitting here and, about three more hours to go before, we get judged. I'm not really expecting to win anything. I'm just here because I haven't done this in a while, just to do a little car show on this great 4th of July. And I'm just here enjoying myself, sitting down, and I'm tired, which is one more reason why I'm choosing not to put up the canopy. Luckily, it's not raining, but then again, it might rain again, but hopefully it doesn't happen. But that's a reason, I don't know, I just want to just sit here and enjoy, because this is just right. Not too hot, not too cold, sun is not too hot, it's perfect. So I'll be here while I am enjoying my tan. But yeah, that's what I was thinking about. So when this is over, I'll probably film a few times here, then I'll be back here for the fireworks tonight. So happy Independence Day from Zoom 360 on the go. Gotta get out and do it. People are enjoying themselves. So am I. Oh, the people behind me are setting up fireworks. I see you. Turnout. This is why I like to come to car shows. This is the coolest car ever. Oh yeah. Oh baby, Skyline.
$13,000 miles, all original underneath there. Radiator hoses and clamps, all original too.
On our way back in, okay?
You said 110?
113.
Oh, 13? Yep. I got you beat. 271,000 and counting.
Oh, that's
Going to 1 million, hopefully. see what happens.
Thank you, Andy.
Yeah, man. I told him not to sell it. He had 68 GTO with 400 in it.
This, I definitely in trouble driving this.
Some exit footage.
Right here, get up.
What on earth is this? And so it starts. I am right underneath this thing. Happy birthday, America. Damn, son. Ooh, thank God I'm standing up here, not down there. Look at all the smoke. Ugh, it doesn't smell good. And there you have it. I can barely hear myself talk. I think the finale blew my ears out. Oh well, that's it.